Hi, I'm Mariel Lynch. I am the owner of Caballo Belts. Welcome to my studio. This is where I keep my full sides of leather. I've got harness leather, English bridle leather, but mostly I use just a strap, a 9 to 10 ounce, 7 to 8 ounce strap leather. I have full sides of leather, and I also use double shoulders, and that's what this is. I'm cutting a 1.5 inch strip. This will be used for a beaded belt. So I'll take it in and cut a window out of it and inlay beads into that. This is the English kip scrap that's left after I line my belts, and this is where I cut my braiding string. Piece of leather just a little over 1/8 of an inch wide. And then I bring that over here. And this is a string beveler. And we run this through a blade there so it cuts off the back side. And you end up with a nice piece of string that's smooth on the edges. And I dye that and use that to braid belts. Let's try this one. There we go, that'll be better. I'm not cutting so much off the back, I'm just cutting the bevel. And so it's a nice smooth piece of leather that will lay in nice and flat into a braided belt. This is the messy section, is why it has to stay down here in the cold. There's some stuff out of my old store here, the Historical Society poster and Mr. Hat Trick up there. He's been with me for a long time. And that just made me think of something, and that's that, you know, we all want to do stuff that changes the world. And I had a customer tell me once that when he put my belt on, the belt that I made for him on in the morning, he felt better all day. And if that's how I can change the world, by putting a lot of love into what I do, and that makes you feel better during the day and it makes you behave better, then that's how I change the world.